Hey guys, we will tie the hairs and make a ponytail. Now we will roll the hairs using this bun pin and fix it in the hairs, and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will tie the hairs like this on the back. Now tie all the hairs together, tie it from the end and fold it upward like this. Fix it using a bun pin and your bun is ready. Next, we will take the few section of the hairs and fix it using this hair clip like this. Now, take the section of the hairs from the down, roll it and fix it on the hair clip like this. Now, we will comb the upper hairs, tie it and fix it using a bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will put this hair clip on the hairs. Now, take the section of the hairs from both the sides, roll it and fix it in the between. Now, take the hairs from the sides and put them on the alternative sides like this. Tie the hairs and then fold it upward and tie the hairs around it and your bun is ready. Next, we will put this bun pin on the ponytail on the down side. Now, divide the hairs into two sections and tuck it. Now, we will tie the plaits, fix it upward like this and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this, fix it in the between, pull back the hairs. Now, put the bun inside the hairs like this and put a hair clutch and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this on the back side, roll it and put it on the hairs using a hair clip. Now roll the hairs and put it on the alternative sides like this. Now fix the upper hairs using the comb and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail, roll it like this and fold it upward to make a bun, put a hair clutch and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching.